I'm convinced you're supposed to rebrand in your 30s, and that's exactly what I'm doing. My name is Khadijah. I'm a corporate girl by day, grad student by night, and to thicken the plot, I'm starting a business. So this channel is pretty much me figuring things out in real time, the routines, the habits, all the trial and error. So if you're in the same boat, we're doing this together. So let's get to it, besties. All right, so today is Monday. It's the start of a new week. The first Monday of a new month, I believe as well. We're in July, almost halfway through the year. So it's time to check in on our goals, see how we're doing, make some adjustments, and like really lock in so we can finish the second half of the year strong. I feel like I've been slacking off a little bit, but I'm gonna get right back into it. So I reset my kitchen. I'm about to make some banana bread just to have like a little snack for work tomorrow. And then I'm gonna take a bubble bath and we're done for the day. So my plan is to be in bed by 9 o'clock, no later than 9:30, because I want to get up at 5 a.m. tomorrow and take my butt to the gym. Let's go ahead and get our ingredients. All right, I'm so sorry, girlie. I had to get started without you, but we got all of our ingredients out. All right, so I blended my oats. So that's this. I can put Miss Girl back. We are cleaning up as we go because I just cleaned up. I truly enjoy baking. It's one of my hobbies. I feel like as women, we need hobbies to occupy ourselves because we cannot make our lives about men. And I'm saying that as a newlywed. I literally just got married. Like, you really have to live for you. So you gotta find things that make you happy. So me, I love to bake. I'm a big baker. Like, usually if I'm baking, I'm in a great mood because it does take a lot of time and sometimes I just don't. Like, I wanted to make it earlier this week, banana bread, but I just didn't have the energy. And today I didn't have the energy either, but the bananas have to be, the bananas have to be made, so I kind of have to cook it because it's a very time-sensitive meal. I don't think I've tried this recipe before. I feel like I always get different recipes every time I type it in to the search bar. Yeah, outside of baking, I don't really do much. I've also started to get into reading books, so I have a book called Real or The Real. I don't know. It's by Kennedy Ryan, and it's such a good read. I'm only like 15 pages in, but I can already tell it's gonna be a good book. Like, yeah. All right, so I got my dry ingredients. That's how it looks. I'm about to mix it up. Should I get a fork? I feel like I should get a fork. I've also been like really trying to make more of an effort to hang out with my friends. I don't want to be one of those people that, like, just because I got married, I neglect my friendships. I think it's really important to just, you know, have your own identity outside of your relationships. And I feel like once you get 30, the things that you liked in your 20s are no longer the things that you liked in your 30s. They are completely different. So you kind of have to get out there and like rediscover yourself. So I've just been trying random stuff. You'll be amazed, like things that you might not have been interested in, you might be interested in it. So just because it's like outside of your norm, give it a try. At the worst case scenario, you won't like it, but at least you can say you tried it. There's just so many different things that you can do and try out. And if you don't like it, go back to the drawing board. So I'm trying to wrap up everything that I have to do today because I do want to get up early and go to the gym tomorrow. Another thing that I really like to do that I don't do as often as I should is go to the gym early in the morning. So just having like a 5 a.m. routine. I do it sometimes. I would say I do it once a week. I do it once a week. I get up at 5 a.m. and I actually go to the gym and do a workout. I was doing it before, like prior to July, I was doing it a lot because I had a trainer, but I decided to stop my training sessions and I picked out a different gym. So this new gym is really, really nice. I love it so much. They have workout classes, then they have like the regular gym. They have all these different like rooms and stuff that you can work out in. It's a really nice gym. For me personally, I love an empty gym. And I feel like the only way I can enjoy a completely empty gym is if I get there at 5 a.m. Was it supposed to be a half a stick? Oh no, never mind. Okay, we got our batter. The oven is ready. I'm about to pop this girl in the oven. And while she's in the oven, I can get my bath running. It's 7:56. I have an hour left to shower, take a nice little bubble bath, and get my butt in the bed. And also plan for tomorrow. So because I'm getting up early, I have to get everything prepped for tonight. Literally everything. Work clothes, gym clothes, lunch, everything has to be prepped because once I leave here for the gym tomorrow, I'm not coming back until 4 o'clock. Okay, so tomorrow's work outfit is gonna be this yellow and brown situation. So I have this white collared top from Shein, which I have to do a video for them because they sent me a whole bunch of clothes. So I at least have to do one video. These brown capri pants, are they capris? Brown crop pants, I think they're cropped. And then a Shein cardigan. So it's not the same brown, but it's okay. And then for shoes, another Shein purchase. These are Shein heels. The heels they're a little higher than kitten heels, so they're very comfortable to walk in. And then gym, I kind of want to wear long sleeve, so we're gonna do brown tomorrow. The theme for tomorrow is brown, so I'm gonna do brown pants, brown hoodie, and I'm gonna wear these to the gym. These are so comfortable and they kind of go. Yeah, there you go. Okay, I'm actually getting to bed a little bit later than I wanted to. It's 10:06. I should have been in bed a little bit earlier, but I'm all showered up. I'm moisturized. Look at the skin. My gym clothes are laid out. My work clothes are laid out. The only thing I didn't do was get my lunch ready. Dang it. I'll set a reminder to prepare my lunch for tomorrow before I go. But I got my book, Real by Kennedy Ryan. I'm just gonna read one page. I'll read one page and then that's it. Really good. Wow. That's really good. It's so soft. Oh, I should have ate it when it was fresh out the oven. It's really good. All right, that's it for today. I will see you in the morning. Good morning. It's about 5:08. I feel well rested. I feel pretty good. I'm ready to get my day started. I'm in the guest bathroom because my husband's asleep, so I don't want to disturb him. But I came in here to get toothpaste anyways. All right, so I am back home. I tried to get situated a little bit. But so I have the luxury of being able to leave a little bit early from the office and come home to finish out my last hour of work. So that's what I'm doing. It's about 4:30, so I'm gonna be working until 5:30. But I'm pretty much just gonna finish up what I was working on earlier today and just try to make sure I'm not like behind on anything. What else? But yeah, it's gonna be really chill. I'm also gonna crack open my laptop and finish I'm working on a planner, a digital planner, and I'm really excited about it because I'm a planner girl. I love writing stuff down, and I had a physical planner that I made, but I'm just a digital girly. I'm just such a digital girly. Today was very productive. I'm super happy that I was able to like get back in the swing of things. I'm a morning person. I love being able to get things done in the earlier in the day at 5 a.m. Just getting my day started, having that peace, having that quiet. For me, getting up early is like super easy. It's not hard to do as long as I prepare the night before. And as you saw, we started the video last night, and that is like the key. You have to start preparing the night before. Preparation is really how you succeed. If you can prepare for the things that you want to do, there's no reason that you're gonna fail. Like, even if you think you fail, you end up learning something, and then you go back and do it again and you succeed. So this morning we had our work clothes laid out, we had our gym clothes laid out. I was supposed to make my lunch last night, but I forgot. But that should have been laid out already as well. So literally, once that alarm went off at 5 a.m., there was nothing else to do besides grab my stuff, put on my clothes, and go. So it was pretty, it really wasn't too much to do. And I actually made a video about this, sharing some tips that I do to help me get up early and just have a productive day. So basically, preparing the night before, that's going to help you a lot. So when you get up, there's no thinking about it. There's no, oh, let me sleep for 5 minutes. Nope, everything's already done. You might as well get up, get dressed, and get your day started. There's literally nothing else to do because you prepped the night before. Another thing that I like to do is I put my alarm on the far side of the room, like all the way up in Narnia. I don't play. I had to physically get up to turn my alarm off. I don't use Siri at all. Nope, we're not doing that over here. Even, I don't care how tired I am when I get up, I stay in one place, still standing until I wake up. And that, honestly, that helps so much, because if you just freeze, your body will slowly wake you up and you'll be like, okay, now I can do what I need to do. So that's another tip. This video was all about just having a productive routine. You saw me get up at 5 a.m. You saw me do the prep work. I'm hoping this video inspires you to do the same if you're trying to be a morning person or just have a productive routine in general. For me personally, I find that my most productive days happen when I wake up at 5 a.m. That's just what it is. So if you haven't done it, try it out. Let me know how you like it. But I'm going to end the video here. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.